Welcome! In front of me I have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch we need to press and hold the home button and the back button together, and we need to keep holding them until we see the Samsung logo with the rebooting message under it. And once we see the rebooting message, we need to release the both buttons and wait until the watch is done rebooting. So let's press and hold the home and back button together. Keep holding them. Once you see Samsung logo with the rebooting message under it, release the both buttons and wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in a system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.